Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack for a 12-day vacation in Europe, carry-on only. And so carry-on for me is a rolling bag and a duffel bag. I'm leaving in about 2 weeks and I'm going to Rome. The ship embarks out of Rome with a number of stops in France, Italy, Spain, and ends in Lisbon, Portugal. My friend and I are going to be staying for 2 days in Rome before the cruise leaves, and then we're going to be staying 1 day in Lisbon when the ship disembarks. So in total, we'll be gone for 12 days. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack for 12 days, carry-on only. And I always fly carry-on only because I just have control issues and I want to know where my bag is at all times. And the only way to do that is to actually have it with me. But really, I'm going carry-on only for this trip because we have a connection. So we're flying from my city to Paris and then connecting from Paris to Rome. And once you have connecting flights, there's a higher probability of your bag getting lost. I actually have a friend who just came back from a cruise, and her husband, and her 2 kids, their bags were all lost and never made it onto the cruise ship. So all 4 of them had to, find new clothing for their cruise because they didn't have their bags. I don't want that to be me. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to get around that, hopefully, and be able to have my bag with me at all times. First thing to do in order to travel for 12 days, carry on only, or even for 5 days, is to have a plan. You have to know what you're going to wear. What are you going to wear every day at every port, including dinner at night on the cruise ship? If you don't have a plan, then you really can't see how much clothes you actually need. So the first thing you need to do is have a plan. And you'd be surprised once you start planning out your wardrobe that you probably don't need as much clothes as you think you do. Here's my plan. It's an Excel spreadsheet, and it's also on my phone and available offline since I'll be traveling. And this tells me where I'm going to be every day, what my plan is to wear that day. And this also helps because there are some days where we're doing sightseeing and we're going to churches. And so you have to have a specific wardrobe, no knees showing, no shoulders showing. And so having this already planned out lets me know ahead of time that I have packed the correct items. So here we go. Let's do that. Also, I use packing cubes. Packing cubes are your friend if you are trying to pack carry-on only. It keeps everything organized and you don't have to be concerned about where things are, and you can pack like garments together and just literally take the whole packing cube, put it on the shelf, and you're all set. So here we go. Packing cubes. Here's my largest packing cube. And the first thing I'm going to do, look at my list and what do I need? So long blue jeans, blue t-shirt, long blue jeans. And mind you, these pants are going to be worn, I believe, twice or 3 times. while I'm there. You can't see me on camera right now, but I'm just a mess right now. Okay, here we go. Blue t-shirt. I roll my clothes. It takes up less space. So this is one outfit, okay? Black capris. Again, these are going to be worn, I believe, twice or maybe 3 times while I'm there. Orange floral top. Here we go. I'm going to wear that one day. Red Bermuda shorts. These are super cute. It should still be warm enough in Rome, as well as the other cities, for me to wear Bermuda pants. Yellow top. Here we go. So this is what I'm going to wear with those red pants. I'm sure there's a better way to fold this, but right now I have not figured it out. And I may end up refolding, but we'll see. And jeans Bermuda shorts. With my orange ombre t-shirt. Super cute, right? So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits in this bag. We're also going to wear a t-shirt that I made for us to embark onto the ship. I'll be wearing my jeans, Bermuda shorts, and this t-shirt, okay? my black capris with another t-shirt that my friend is bringing with her when she comes. One day I'm going to be wearing the long blue pants with a pink and brown blouse. So this. My black capris with a yellow top. My jeans Bermuda shorts with my purple top. My red Bermuda shorts with my floral top. And my black capris with my peach top. And that's it. This is everything that I'm going to be wearing for short excursions or for sightseeing in Rome and Lisbon. So that's good to go. My next packing cube is going to be dresses that I'm going to wear for dinner, as well as extra tops and my swimsuit. For dinner, I have this super cute green dress. This red dress. This orange dress. This pretty striped maxi dress. and this striped dress. That's 5 dresses. Do I need more than that? Absolutely not. I do not. Extra tops. Extra t-shirt. I can wear this with practically any of the pants that I'm bringing with me. And 1 extra top. Again, can be worn with any of the pants that I'm bringing with me. In there, I will also put 2 swimsuits, because we're going to Ibiza, so definitely have to hit up a beach. And 1 cover-up. Do you need 2 cover-ups because you have 2 swimsuits? No, you don't. All right, packing cube number 2.